Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove an empty page from a Microsoft Word document. First of all, you need to know the total number of pages in your entire document. So go to the left bottom corner of your document. Look at this. As you see, it says page 7 of 14. This means page number 7 means the page currently I'm using, and 40 means the total number of pages my document has. Out of this 14 pages, there is a single empty page. That means this page, as you look. So I want to remove this empty page from my document. To remove this, go to View, and then click View, and then click Navigation Pane, and then go to the left side of my document and click this, the 4 dots, click it. As you look, my pages appear here, and out of those pages, this is an empty page. So sure, this page is selected, and after you select, press a backspace key on your keyboard. Look, this page is removed, as you see. As you see, an empty page is removed from my document. For sure, you can look the total number of pages, because it says page 6 of 13, and one page is it decreased from my total number of pages, because a single empty page is removed from my document. So an empty page is successfully removed. So my friends, if you believe this video is useful, like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Bye bye.